Good morning students and welcome back. In our previous classes we have discussed about parts of a leaf and its two types, simple leaf and compound leaf. We have also discussed about venation, that is the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the lamina and its two types, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Today we will start with our next topic, that is functions of a leaf. So the first and very important function of the leaf is to manufacture food. We all know that leaves manufacture food for the plant. That is why they are also called as kitchen of the plant, or we call them as food factory. All the leaves are green in color, and this green color of the leaf is due to the presence of a green pigment called as chlorophyll. So the green color of the leaves is due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll utilizes sunlight to prepare food for the plant. And this process by which green plants prepare their food is called photosynthesis. You all are familiar with the term photosynthesis. So exactly what happens in photosynthesis? During the process of photosynthesis, green plants take carbon dioxide from the air and they take water and minerals from the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they prepare their food in the form of glucose. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6, and during this process of photosynthesis, oxygen is also produced. This glucose is stored as food in the plant, and this oxygen is released into the atmosphere. If we balance the equation, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water together produces 1 molecule of C6H12O6, that is glucose, and 6 molecules of oxygen which are released into the atmosphere. Second important function of the leaf is exchange of gases. Exchange of gases such as carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and oxygen takes place through tiny pores present on the leaves known as stomata. These stomata are present on the lower surface of the leaf, and they are tiny microscopic pores through which exchange of gases takes place. So this carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged through stomata. Another important function of the leaf is transpiration. Well, plants also release excess water in the form of vapors through tiny pores present on the leaf known as stomata. So we can say the stomata which are present on the lower surface of the leaf not only helps in exchange of gases but also release excess water in the form of vapors into the atmosphere, and this process is called transpiration. In addition to this, some leaves perform some additional functions. For example, you all know about insectivorous plants. Leaves of insectivorous plants helps in trapping insects. So students, Today we have discussed about functions of a leaf. Number 1. Leaves manufacture food for the plant and the process is called photosynthesis. Number 2. Exchange of gases takes place through tiny pores present on the leaf called stomata. Number 3. Excess water is released into the atmosphere through stomata and the process is called transpiration. In addition to this, leaves perform some additional functions like leaves of insectivorous plants help in trapping insects. Students, I will be sending you a short worksheet which you will do in your notebook. Thank you and stay safe.